In this video, we're unboxing and demonstrating a small torque wrench on a Ford F-150 Raptor. We have a tool storage case, product manual, gloves, torque wrench body. Next, we will introduce the operating procedure for the torque wrench. This is a small torque wrench, compatible with small drive sockets. The unit displayed on the front is Newton meter. The unit displayed on the back is kilogram meter. It features two different unit scales. The upper scale is the main scale. The lower scale is the secondary scale. If you want to set the required torque value, unlock the locking switch at the bottom, then rotate the handle. Rotate to the required torque value, then lock it back in place. Next, we will use a small 10mm deep socket. This socket is for demonstration only, for reference only. Press and hold the button on the ratchet head. Align the hole position and install the socket. Release the button. Make sure the socket is securely fitted. Then, according to the selector pointer above, when the pointer faces right, it rotates clockwise. Move the selector pointer. When the pointer faces left, it rotates counterclockwise. During bolt tightening, grip the torque wrench handle firmly with your hand. Then pull the wrench steadily and slowly. When you hear the clicking sound from the wrench, stop applying force immediately. Never exceed the rated torque range of the wrench. Never use it to loosen rusted or over-tightened bolts. Do not use it as a pry bar or hammer. Doing so will directly damage the internal precision mechanism. After each use, be sure to adjust the torque setting back to the minimum value in the range. Then place it back into the storage case for storage to avoid long-term spring compression and fatigue. Next, we will use a Ford F-150 Raptor as an example. Adjust the torque wrench to the required torque value for the target bolt. Install the socket. Adjust the selector lever on the ratchet head to the right side. The right side is the clockwise tightening direction. When you hear the clicking sound, the required torque has been reached.